on their trail. Select the Start button to begin. Nature is full of many beautiful colors. Select the palm tree pen, then draw a path that leads the Beetlebugs to the sign that's as green as a grassy field. That path didn't lead to a green sign. Let's try again. Right, great work. Well done. You helped the Beetlebugs get to the green sign. Remember, you can draw your path as swirly, curly and crazy as you like. There are so many different things to see on a nature trip. This time, select the pen and draw a path that leads the Beetlebugs to a sign with bright, colourful blossoms. Wonderful! Bravo! You helped the Beetlebugs find the flower sign. Just one more nature challenge. Let's learn all about the weather. Select the palm tree pen and draw a path that leads the Beetlebugs to the sign for wet weather. That's the way. You did it! You helped the Beetlebugs get to the rain sign. Climb aboard, everyone! Thanks to your help, the Beetlebugs nature trip was a big success. Choose this button if you'd like to play again.